In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in the Constant Contact email editor. If you've ever typed over a headline, swapped an image, or nudged a layout block only to wish you could take it back, this walkthrough is for you. Undo is your safety net, and using it correctly will help you fix mistakes in seconds. First, open your email campaign in the Constant Contact editor. From your account, navigate to the campaign you're working on and open it so you're in the visual editor, where you can click into text boxes, images, and design blocks. Make sure you're looking at the editing toolbar at the top of the canvas. That's where the controls you'll use live. Next, make a change to the text, image, or layout. For example, type a new line in a text block, replace an image, or drag a section to a different spot. It's helpful to intentionally make a small tweak so you can see exactly how undo behaves. Now, look for the undo button in the editor toolbar. In Constant Contact, it typically appears as a curved arrow pointing left. If you don't see it, check that you're in the email editor view and that you've actually made a change. The button often stays inactive until there's something to reverse. Click undo to reverse the last change. You should immediately see the editor restore your previous text, image, or layout position. If your last change involved multiple small moves, undo will step back one action at a time so you can retrace your work precisely. If you need to go back more than one step, just repeat the undo. Each click takes you further back through your recent actions. Keep an eye on the button. When it becomes inactive, you've reached the earliest point available for this editing session. That's normal, and it simply means there are no more actions to reverse. Finally, preview the email to confirm the mistake was corrected. Use the preview option in the editor to view how your message looks without the editing tools around it. Toggle between desktop and mobile previews if available, and scan the area you just fixed to be sure everything reads and looks the way you want. That's it. With these simple actions, make a change, find undo, click it, repeat as needed, and preview. You can confidently recover from slip-ups and keep your campaign looking sharp.